Alright, here I am, snow shoveling number 1. Snow's still coming down, quite a bit down. The blizzard condition warning is actually supposed to start this afternoon. So this is pretty crazy right now. It's kind of nuts that I have to do this, but I mean, this snowbank right here, I'd say it's probably, this drift is at least 2 feet, maybe 3 feet deep. And there's still idiots out driving around. Everyone's been told to stay off the roads. Think everything is closed, so I don't know where they're going in such a hurry. But of course, my wife decided she had to have a coffee this morning. Went out first thing this morning, 7 o'clock. Anyway, I guess got to get started on the shoveling. When done, show the clean-up version, and then as the day goes on, we will continue to give you updates. So, Sean, I noticed you didn't update a picture of this morning yet, so got to see that picture, see what you guys got down, because I know this is quite a bit for us so far. I was up till about 4, and we hadn't even got any snow as 4 o'clock. So, anyway, I will post another one soon. Well, weather just keeps getting worse and worse. Round 1 of snow shoveling done. And what's down there? The plow. Looks like he's going to do the other road first, which is a good thing. It's definitely not a day you want to be out and about. A lot of snow down so far. There are people out and about driving around, but I mean, if you look at the conditions right now, barely see the plow up there. Not a lot of vehicles around though. A lot of people heed the warnings and have stayed in. I think well, so round 1's done. Go in, have a bite to eat. Sure, we'll be ready for round 2. Not going to take long by the looks of us. Alright. Keep you updated, huh, Sean? The tractor doesn't even look like it can hardly drive.